So another day, another trainer, another unboxing, another review. Is it going to be disappointment? Don't know. Is it going to be joyful, sorrows? Who knows? But let's get into it. So another Adidas box. Here we go. Now, May was quite naughty, wasn't it? May was quite naughty. Just before I start, May was quite naughty. It was like nothing, and then a whole load. And June is just absolutely mental. So yeah, I'm loving it. Here we are. Oh, okay, 500s. See, you know, when you read these labels on it, it makes no sense at all, especially the Yeezys. Now, this reads, look, I'll let you have a look. Look at this. What does that read to you? I have no idea, but I know it's 500s, and the most recent 500s are Taupe Blues, or whatever they're called. I'm sure they're called the Taupe Blues, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but hey, here they are. Okay, so at the box we have the Taupe Light. Correct me, yeah, Taupe Light, and yeah, obviously. So they're like the low 500s, right? Not the 500s high, so they're just a straight up 500s, and they remind me of what we recently reviewed. Obviously, the In Flames coming up with the dark and the brown and the orange, and these are quite a low monotone. Obviously, hopefully you can see the reflective running all along here, and I actually do like the way, you know, the Yeezys are coming in with these little awesomeness of reflective ones. Obviously, when they first brought out the 350s, it was, or the Turtles, where, you know, the early stages, they weren't all reflective, and then they just started to chuck in some reflectives and non-reflective versions of the trainers, and I'm just really loving the reflective, because everyone likes to be reflective in their shoes, right? Or definitely me. And these are nice. They're simple. Okay. All you Yeezy fanboys keep getting them on that. Okay, fine. Let me critique this then. Okay, so yes, it's wide, it's fat, it has disgustingly large bubble mesh sole sort of thing going on here. It's like bubbles everywhere, and it doesn't make any sense at all, right? The greys are all just really dull colors, and it's just really grey and boring, and it's got Adidas there, but they're comfortable and feel lovely. They actually do. So like this whole meshy feeling that they've got here, and this soft nylon material, it's just nice, you know. Obviously, a lot of the designers now, everyone's coming up really big, you know, really big soles and platforms, and it seems to be the way it is, right? It seems to be the way it is. Apart from Nikes, okay, Nikes are going in their own flex, still sticking with the solid OGs and just bringing out new colorways, which is all fine and good, and just rehashing the ones that they brought out before. We get that, and that works. But these are distinctive, aren't they? You're just gonna see them on someone's feet, and you literally it will look a little bit like moony, like balloon on their feet, depending on the type of feet they are. See, the worst things about these, you can't wear these with skinnies, because these just accentuate the balloonness and the I don't know, like the missed modules of the trainers. You have to wear these with some loose, some loose denims, with, you know, rolled up, showing off some white socks or something like that. That's the only way to really rock these, I feel. Obviously, you can, as always, wear anything with a pair of shorts, right? Because shorts just rock just about everything. If you've got these and you rock them with skinnies, send it in. Let's have a look. Go to our website, upload your photos, and let's see what it looks like. And let's get feedback, right? So back to this. So yeah, the colors are all like all similar colors, which is good. But I think I am with DeAndre now. And this rubber mesh thing that seems to run along all of the 500s, it's actually irritating. It like literally serves, in my mind, it serves no purpose at all. So it's like, why are they doing it? Why, as I'm doing it, I'm squeezing that, and it feels really soft. It feels really soft, really nice, really thought out. But why are they doing that? And they always add it with a different color, because obviously the material, I guess they can't get the same blend. Which then brings to mind, why are you doing it? Like, why are you doing it? Anyway, Relax, Jordan, relax. So yeah, so here we are. So you've seen these before, right? We've done the In Flames and now we've got the Taupe Lights. What do you think? Obviously, there's lots of other colorways of these. There's obviously like another utility black version of these, which really looks smart. And there's the sandstone, which again looks really good. This is like a variant of that, I would say. And you know, in other lights, there'll even be the sandstone, right? Or the stone, whatever they're called. So would I cop these? No, I think I would give these a miss, guys, because there's really nothing to it. I mean, but then again, you know, if you don't like the exaggerated colors of the In Flames or some of the other colorways, and you like a monotone, low color, this is probably you. This is probably you down to a T, right? Because it's quite low. I say it's quite low key, and then you've got these big balloons on your foot, but it is in the colors. It's quite low key, and so that might be for you. Benefit of a foot on, right? The benefit when you have a shoe on, and then you put some outfits on it, you then start to think actually, it actually works, and it's really strange, right? So initially, I was talking about how, you know, it make your feet look big and it looks out of proportion and stuff like that. But get them on your feet, I don't know, it just changes your whole perception of it. As you see from the phone, I don't think it actually looks too big. So maybe you can rock it with a pair of skinnies. I don't know, maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know, but what I said about them being balloons on your feet, I take it completely back, because that's not the case at all. They actually work really well. They are on the tight side. Now, I don't know why. I think I find this with all 500s. All 500s, obviously, as you know, Yeezy's full stop, half a size up at least. But with the 500s, it's a full size. You have to go full size up. It's like, no joke, you just have to go full size up. My only worry is if you go full size up, what are they going to look like on your feet? You know, because they're already big, you know, when you're looking at it, so it's going to be even accentuated and, you know, like, you know, massive. You just look like some clown. I don't know, man. But the next time we manage to cop any of these 500s, we're going to go full size up and give you feedback on that, just to see how that works out. So would I cop them? They're still on the maybe pile. They're still on the maybe pile. They're probably better than the In Flames. In Flames are quite tricky to rock with everything. So with the, you know, with the low key colors, these actually work better. But would I cop them? Maybe. Would I swap them for my In Flamed? Yes, definitely. But yeah, guys. Hey, listen. Thank you for tuning in. Again, it means a lot, and we'll see you again on the next one. But don't forget, leave the comments down below. Peace.